Today's Nick's Picks takes us to Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the handicap accessible cabins. To get to all of the cabins, you're going to go ahead and take a left onto Peacock Pass, and this takes you to loops 2800 through 2200. You will find that not only the cabins on loop 2800 have ramps to access the cabin, but there are also extra amenities inside to make it helpful when you are in a wheelchair. You will find handicap accessible cabins on other loops. I believe 2500 also has some, but they are not going to have the extra amenities that the ones on 2800 have inside. When you enter the cabins, they look pretty much the same as all the other cabins. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom, because that's one of the biggest benefits to these particular cabins, is that they have roll-in showers. If you are in need of a roll-in shower and the roll-in counters here, you're going to want to make sure to request that when you make your reservation, because not all of the handicap cabins have these accessible roll-in showers. Along with the roll-in shower that you see here, some of the other benefits that these cabins have. The bed is lowered to the ground so that it's easier to get in and out of. We also have hangers that have been positioned lower so that they're easily accessible. And along with the roll-in for underneath the sink and the stove, you will notice that the refrigerator also has an ice machine. And this is a nice convenience. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the ramp here. I hope you found this video helpful. Please take a moment to go ahead and hit subscribe down below or over here on the end screen. Why don't you go ahead and check out that playlist also, and we'll see you real soon.